So we're going to start out with the unboxing of the Fifine K688. This is the studio podcast microphone, and it comes with both an XLR and a USB attachment. So inside the box, you got the little user's guide, and packaged very well actually. You get the microphone itself, obviously. You get a USB cord, and then you get the 3/8 to 5/8 inch adapter. You get that included, which is nice because I kind of needed this. That's really all you get. There's not really a lot that comes in this package. All right, so now that the box is out of the way, let's look at some of the key features of this. So we'll start here with the pop filter that pops right off, and this is an upgrade over the previous version of this particular microphone. They did get a slightly thicker pop filter on here, which is really nice. It feels very cushy. The other thing that you'll see is there's a lot of space here in this grill in between where the actual microphone is and the end. So that does help a little bit with P's and S's and all those different poppy sounds, so that's kind of nice. Putting this back on, up here is the mute button, and this is not a real button, it's just a little touch capacitive button. It's not clicky. And then on the back you've got two knobs, one for microphone, one for gain. You've got the USB plug, a headphone mount, the XLR plug, and then this is just obviously how it attaches to whatever method it is that you're going to use to actually attach this, whether that's a boom arm or if you have like a stand, like a desk stand, you could probably use that. I'm going to use a boom arm, but it's all kind of up to you on how you want to do that. And the other thing, I mean, it's got a nice little feel to it. It feels this is obviously, rubber in here, but all of this is metal, some kind of metal. I don't know exactly what kind of steel it is, but it's some kind of very lightweight metal, but it feels solid in my hand. Like this feels like a quality item. All right, so before we get to the sound test, let's actually look at pricing. Right now, current pricing as of the day of recording, you can get the Fifine K688 for $72.99, but I didn't pay that. I got it on a special deal where I got it for $51.09. So if you wait, you can actually get a much better price on this than the $72.99 listed, and that is just for the product, no stand or boom mic or anything like that. Who knows? When you watch the video, click the link down in the description, and you can kind of check pricing on what they're currently selling for. They might be less, who knows? Or you can always wait until the next time that they go on promo and get them for crazy cheap like I did. If you're enjoying this video, please smash that like button down below and leave me a comment, because those two things, along with you watching all the way through to the end, go a long way towards this video reaching more people. And if you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. All right, so let's start the test by listening to the Fifine K688 with a few sample sentences. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. These are not great sentences, but we're going to go with them. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The swan dive was far short of perfect. The beauty of the view stunned the young boy. Two blue fish swam in the tank. Her purse was full of useless trash. The colt reared and threw the tall rider. It snowed, rained, and hailed the same morning. And read verse out loud for pleasure. And now let's test handling noise on the microphone itself. So if I want to mute the mic, and then I touch it again, and you can hear me. And this is not like an actual button. This is not a clicky button. This is just a touch press, and then you get muted and unmuted. On the back is the headphone adjustment going all the way down, and now it's all the way back up. That you can't hear any difference, but I potentially can. And now the gain, same thing, going all, and then all the way back up. All right, now let's do some taps on the shock mount. See what that sounds like, and then the boom microphone itself. And now taps on the desk that the boom is attached to. All right, so now let's go through the pros and cons of the Fifine K688. So at the end of the day, the one that I'm keeping is going to be this Fifine right here. I like the sound of it. I think my voice sounds better on it. And just all the things together, all the things combined, the pros for this one outweigh the cons in my eyes. So this is the one that I'm choosing. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to watch another video from this channel, then click right here. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd really like to, because you're like, hey, I want to see what this guy's up to, hit that button right there. I would appreciate it, and I will talk to you on the next one.